question 4, x minus 10 multiplied by x plus 3. So what we did is we multiplied the first and the outer and then the inner and then the last. So I'm going to multiply x by x. How much is this? So that's going to be x squared. So what is x times 3?
3x.
Plus 3x's. Negative 10 times x?
Negative 10x.
Negative 10x. Negative 10 times 3?
Negative 30.
Okay. So x squared. So I know I'm going to simplify the expressions, the terms that I have in the middle, 3x and negative 10x. But what is the answer for this? 3x minus 10x, how much is this?
Negative 7x.
So, perfect, negative 7x, but minus 30. Minus 30. So, it's going to be the x squared minus 7x minus 30. Okay? So, we are very good with this. We are super good with this. We're going to move to, let's say, different one. For example, question 7. And for question 8 also. We're going to check this out. Okay? Question 7 also, I need to multiply 5y by y. What is this? 5y squared. I need to multiply 5 by negative 2. By negative 2. Negative 10 y. I need to multiply negative 1 by y. What is it?
Negative 1.
Negative. Negative 1 times negative 2. Ali. Negative 1 times negative 2. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 2. Positive 2. Negative times negative gives us positive answer, Ali. So I'm going to have 5y squared. Negative y minus y would be negative 11y plus 2. So the final answer is 5y squared minus 11y plus 2. Is that okay?
Yes.
Good. But what will I do with x minus y squared altogether squared in the bracket? That's also very easy. Reason. Because I know if I have a squared, this means you need to multiply a by itself.
Yes.
So if we have x minus 7 altogether squared, so that means I need to write down x minus 7 multiplied by x minus 7. So x minus 7 multiplied by itself gives us x minus 7 altogether squared. So then I need to expand this step by step. First I need to multiply x by x, which is x squared. X times negative 7, negative 7x. Negative 7 times x, again negative 7x. And plus 49, because I'm multiplying negative 7 by negative 7. So that's going to give me x squared minus 14x plus 49. So x squared minus 14x plus 49. Are we okay with this?
Yes.
Copy that down, especially question 8, because today you are going to get an homework like a question 8. Okay? You need to know how to deal with it, how to handle the question, okay? So if it is cube, we need to multiply by itself 3 times, but not going to explain these 3 brackets. Only 2 brackets we are doing with you. So, anything else? No? No? Okay, can I move?
No.
Yes, I'm waiting for you. 2 papers left only.
Okay,
Alright, so for the question 9, a rectangle is shown below. So we have the length that is x plus 9 and width as x minus 1. Express the area of rectangle. Form an expression of the area of rectangle. So what do we know? If we have a rectangle, to find out the area, we need to multiply length by width. So basically I need to multiply x by 9. I need to multiply x plus 9 by x minus 1. So, but look guys, I'm not writing it as x plus 9 multiplied by x minus 1. This is completely different idea. Okay, for this question you are only going to multiply 9 by x. But if I'm multiplying length by width, which length is x plus 1 together, that's why I'm writing bracket, together multiplied by x minus 1 together. So let's just expand this. X squared, x times x, minus x plus 9x minus 9. So again, x times x, x squared, x times negative 1, negative x, 9 times x, 9x, 9 times negative 1 will be negative 9. So x squared, negative x plus 9x, how much is this? Plus 8x minus 9. So that's it. X squared plus 8x minus 9. Are we happy with this? Can we move question 10? Okay, so copy that down, it's very important. You done? You done? You done? No, not going to do number 10. Let the others finish writing this. I'll move to, I think, bit harder question. Okay, are we done with this?
Yes.
Okay, so I want to expand 11 and then we'll do 13 together. So expansion on 11, question 11. So again guys, I need to multiply y squared by y squared by 3, y by y by 3. So what is y squared times y? Okay, so if I multiply y squared by y, I'm going to end up with y cubed, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, good job, y cubed. So y squared times 3, how much is this? Y squared times 3.
3y squared.
Plus 3y squared. Y times y, how much is this?
Y squared.
Perfect, y squared. And what is y times 3? So y cubed plus y squared plus 3y squared plus y squared gives us 4y squared. We're not adding their powers. It's just the addition we're doing, okay? Not adding the powers. Plus 3y's. So that's the final answer, okay? That's going to be the final answer. So please copy that down. That's important because the new letter we have there as y squared. We didn't do this sort of question before. So now we are moving to question 13. I want you to listen question 13 super carefully. Okay? So first finish this. Question 13. No, we're not going to write question 12. Are we done with this question? We haven't done it yet. Come on. Okay. So I'm moving to question 13. So don't write it, just listen. Question 14 as well, I'll do both. Don't write it, just listen for question 13, then I'm going to let you write to question 13, and then I'm going to do question 14. First listen, then write, okay? Everybody, listen super carefully. Okay, so obviously I need to do the expansion, but I have here this bracket, sorry. I have here this one, and I have here this one. Basically, I need to expand this, and then later I need to expand the other one. This one and this one, step by step. So I'll do the solution right here. I need a space. So if I expand the first couple, let's say, so I need to multiply w by w, right? W by w, w by 4, 3 by w is 3 by 4. So that's going to give us w squared plus 4w's plus 3w's plus 12. Are we okay with this? Simply. But I have another one there. I need to expand this as well. So guys, it's a plus sign over here. Remember this. Plus. So now I need to expand the other bracket. I need to multiply w by w, w by 7. 2 by w, 2 by 7. So the w squared plus 7w plus. So now what we're going to do is collect the like terms. W squared plus w squared gives us 2w squared. We need to add 4w to 3w to 7w to 2w's. So that's going to be 16w's. 14 plus 7w's plus 7w's 16 plus 2w's gives us 16w's. 12 plus 14, how much is this? 12 plus 14. So the final answer is 2w squared plus 16w's plus 26. So now I'm letting you the minute to copy this down, understood, right?
Wait a minute. It's all within 3 minutes.
Go. Because you're not solving it, you're just copying it.
I know.
Stop. You're posting the same.
I'll do.
After 3 days, it will come up for you. After what was the everybody did subscribe from 14 accounts. Will you want to subscribe?
14. Finish this. I want to move 14. 14 is little harder. 14 is little harder, okay? Don't forget this. Yes. Finish this, please. Okay, it's time to work with 14. On 14, like you listen basically 13 super carefully, I guess, right? But for 14, you have to listen with extraordinary carefully, okay? Beyond carefully listening, okay? So because That's a bit tricky. So, question 14. Guys, basically the purpose here, the target here is to expand the brackets. Right? We need to expand and then collect the like terms and simplify. But because I have here negative sign, listen me super carefully, okay? Negative sign, like first bracket minusing the, product of the first two brackets minusing the product of second two brackets, second part, okay? So I'm going to add extra bracket on the second part here before I expand it. Because of the negative sign over there, okay? So I'm going to write down a square bracket for the second part. You will see why, okay? So then I'm going to start expanding brackets. So I'm going to expand the first bracket. So the brackets, the double bracket before the negative sign, it's just okay, we can expand it, that's normal, right? We don't have to be like worried about it. But the brackets after the negative sign, it's a bit tricky part, okay? They're coming because the negative in front of them will affect everything, okay? So let's just first expand the first part, which is easy. 3y times y, 3y squared. 3y times 4 plus 12y's. Negative 5 times y will be negative 5y's. Negative 5 times 4. Aferin, good job. But I'm going to write this minus and my square bracket, I'm going to keep it there.
What?
You will see in a minute, okay? I'm going to keep my square bracket there. That's why I wrote it. And then expand the brackets inside my square brackets, okay? So y times y. Y times negative 5. Negative 3 times y. And plus 15 because negative 3 times negative 5. I'm going to keep my square bracket. The reason I'm writing the square bracket, because that's negative sign over here, going to change the sign over here, everything, sign of everything in the bracket, in the square bracket, okay? So I'm going to basically write down the first one as it is for a while. But the things in the square bracket will change. Look, y squared which is positive will be negative y squared. So the 5y over here negative, it's going to be positive because double negative, right? I'm going to write plus 5y's and plus 3y's because the negative over here and the negative over here, negative over here, and then minus 15. As you can see, the answer we have in the square bracket completely changed with the opposite sign, right? That's why I wrote this square bracket to not confuse, okay, with the negative sign in front of it. As you can see, we don't really care when we have a positive sign over here. We didn't write a square bracket. Once we have a negative, we have to just write this square bracket, expand inside what we have in the square bracket, then open the square bracket, but considering the negative in front of it. I know this is a little bit hard. No. So it's not the answer because we have a like terms to simplify. Y squared, 3y squared, negative y squared. That gives us 2y squared. So what we have here is 12y, negative 5y's, 5y's, 3y's. Guys, I'm going to teach you a tricky way. We have negative 5y's and 5y's. Let's just cross them because they're opposite to each other. When you add them, it's going to be 0. So all we have to just calculate what is 12y plus 3y's. What is it?
15.
Plus 15y's. Well, what's negative 20 minus 30? Negative 20 minus negative 15. Negative, guys, I forgot to write down here, right? 35. So that's my final answer, right? Negative 2y squared plus 15y minus 35. Are we happy with this? You're not happy with it? Write this down. Don't forget to use square brackets as well.